Hello viewers, welcome to the Web 17 in C language video series. In this video we are going to take a brief introduction of C language and we'll see the basic components or fundamental entities of C language. So let's start with introduction. C is a programming language developed at AT&T Bell Laboratories, USA in year 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. It considered as middle level language because it has a relatively good efficiency, relatively good programming efficiency, and relatively good machine efficiency. That's why it comes in middle level. Now we are looking at some basic components of C language. So there are 5 main components of C language. The first is the character set. The second is the data type. The third is the constant, and fourth one is the variables, and the last one is a keyword. Now we have take a look about the character sets. So characters consist of 4 categories. The first is letter. Letter means we can use any small letters A to Z or capital letters, or can say in other words alphabets. And also we can use the digits 0 to 9 in our programs, and special symbols which we look on the keyboard, like plus sign, minus sign, parenthesis, curly braces, hash, etc. And also include white spaces, that is blank space, new line, horizontal tab, etc. Now let me tell you about the data types. So data type is used to declare variables. C language is designed to handle 5 primary data types, namely void, character, integer, float, and doubles. And you want to declare a variable as character type, so then we use character data type. And you want to declare a variable as integer type, so we'll use a int. And you want to use a variable as a real value, which can store real value, so we'll use float and double type. Generally void type is used when we are working on the user defined function. Now we are looking the constants. So what is constant? So constants are the fixed values that remain unchanged during the execution of program. So there are 5 types of constant. First is character constant, that is any character enclosed within a single quote. It may be alphabets, a digit, or special symbols. The second is integer. It consists of any integer number. It may be negative or positive. The next is real. It consists of any floating point values. It may be positive and negative, similarly integer. And string is a group of characters enclosed within double quotes. It may be the combination of only alphabets or and digits, and also alphabet, digits, or special symbols. And the last is logical constant means the true or false values. In C language, all the non-zero values are considered as true, and 0 considered as false. Now we are looking at variables. So what is variables? Variables are the data items whose values may change during program execution. A specific location or address in the memory is allocated for each variable, and the value of that variable is stored in that locations. So there are some rules for creating or declaring a variable. So first is variable name may be the combination of alphabets, digits, and underscores. The second rule says that the first character must be an alphabet, and the third rule is no commas or blank spaces are allowed within the variable. Now we are looking syntax to declare a variable. So it's very simple. First we need to take a uh, data type and space, then declare a variable, any valid variable. Let's have some examples of variable declaration. So this is an integer example. uh, Number and id are two variables. We can also declare multiple variables in a single line, uh, which cons- which has a similar type. So float type total underscore amount, this is a float variable type, and character type is choice. Now we can assign the values as using the assignment operator. Um in this case we have assigned 50 to numbers, and 600.002 total amount, and y means yes to choice. We can also do both the things, declaration and assignment, in a single line. Like this, int number is equal to 50. This is also called declaration plus initialization. When we assign a first value to a variable, it is also called as the initialization. Total amount as 600 and choice is equal to y. Now let's have a look some incorrect examples. So first int type example is five numbers. It is not correct because we are using a digit in the variable name first character. That's why it's not correct. In second case, at the rate id, it is also incorrect because we are using in this case a special character. So only underscore is permitted in among the only underscore is permitted among the special symbols, so that's why it's not correct. uh, in this case, total dash amount is also an incorrect variable declaration, because we cannot use minus signs or dash within variable name. And the last one is also incorrect. In this case, we are using plus sign, which is not permitted in variables. So we we should avoid this type of declaration when we are working on C language. The last one is a keyword. So what is keyword? Keywords are the words which have been assigned a specific meaning in the context of C language program. A keyword should not be used as variable name. So there are 32 keywords in C language. Some of them are auto, break, continue, extend, switch, if, else, while, do, while, for, etc. We'll go further in next video. Thank you for watching.